Welcome to the Queso Melt Kitchen. When preparing queso melt from a block, you should cube it into 1-inch pieces and add it to a saucepan with 1 to 3 tablespoons of milk, depending on how thick you want your dip to be. Once the queso melt is melted, you can add in additional items such as tomatoes, jalapenos, chorizo, or you can use it as a topping for enchiladas, nachos, burritos, or even make a Mexican version of macaroni and cheese. Queso melt is sold in a microwavable safe tub, which makes for an instant appetizer for a party with very little work. Simply remove the lid, cover, microwave at 1-minute intervals, stirring in between until the cheese is completely melted. For larger parties, queso melt can be prepared on the stovetop, as discussed earlier, and placed in a crock pot on the warm setting to keep the cheese melted. So whether it's for your next party or you're just craving Mexican, grab a container of queso melt and enjoy.